Hello, hi there, this is Random News and today's topic is Mahim Fort by Ishan Priya MS. The municipal corporation elections have provided a push to the much anticipated work of restoring the Mahim Fort, which is set to begin with the clearing of debris and seaside rocks to facilitate restoration work. The first tender floated in 5 years aimed to kickstart work with excavation and assessment of the seaside rocks of Mahim Fort. While this will not interfere with the structural integrity of the fort, the excavation work will pave the way of restoration, a senior civic official said. We have roped in VJTI Varmata Jijabai Technological Institute to conceptualize the restoration work and draft a plan for the same. Work on the restoration plan is in progress. Land levels have changed over the years and several aspects of the fort are no longer above the surface. The present work plans to clear hurdles caused by natural factors and also due to human interventions to facilitate restoration work. Before the work, portions of the fort need to be evaluated due to the structure's proximity to the sea, which likely caused corrosions to the heritage boulders. In 2020 and 21, the BMC decided to restore the fort, which was in a crumbling state with its seaside embankment encroached on by unauthorized residential structures. In 2023, BMC completed the dismantling of the 267 substructures and shifted over 3,000 residents from the area. In October this year, the Customs Department, with jurisdictions over the Mahim Fort, completed the demarcations of the fort's boundaries, paving way for the restoration. This 800-year-old fort bordering the sea near Mahim Koliwada was a strategic defense position for the island of Mumbai. Back in the day, the Mahim Fort offered a coastal advantage to the city, along with the nearby forts of Valli and Bandra. Through time, it changed hands from the rule of Raja Bhimdev in the 13th century to the Sultan of Gujarat in the 14th century, the Portuguese, and then the British. Each time it saw changes made to the original structure. The restoration will honor the structure as it today, a civic official said.
Please do subscribe my channel Random News.